So I remember one of the questions na binato sa akin minsan was yung dun sa install, kailangan lang gamitan ng digital mixer more for to manage the inputs, and secondly para nga matono yung system. And sabi ko nga, well, okay yung idea na yan, pero club kayo, tapos a lot of things can happen. A mixer, maraming pwede makialam dyan. Believe you me, kahit may mga access or passcode, we've seen situations na napakailaman pa rin. There's some smart people out there naman na kayang alam na yung diskarte doon, di ba? Then may iba may makikialam. And I think the problem is yung mixer kasi it's right there, di ba? Yung laging nandyan, meron lang tao dyan sa DJ's booth na walang magawa at makita yung mixer niya yan, papakilaman niya yan because you've got knobs and what have you. So anyway, what I did suggest is for them to use a DSP processor talaga, hiwalay na DSP processor. Kasi advantages nun, una, it's out of sight, relatively out of sight kung gugustuhin mo, di ba? Second, you've got your settings saved, and it's a more complex thing na kailangan pakialaman, di ba? Third, pag kunyari, yes, you still need a mixer, and that mixer could actually just be an analog mixer na lang, kumbaga, kung gusto nyo, di ba? So you could offset the cost. Mag-analog mixer na kayo na maganda, di ba? High headroom and all that. So that anyone with guests or may mic na kailangan or may kailangan ikabit na instrumento, kailangan kakabit doon. They can do the levels, have 2-3 channels of EQ, but hanggang doon lang yon. Lahat ng protection mo, lahat ng settings mo, lahat limiting and all that, nandun sa settings mo, nandun sa DSP processor nyo na it's out of sight. So throughout the club, a mixer being exposed to a lot of smoke, dust, and even matatapunan ng beer or anuman, di ba? Anything can happen there. So just in case that happens, kailangan man tanggalin, palitan yung mixer, yung settings nyo safe pa rin dun sa DSP processor, back there, di ba? So yun yung importante. So para bang essentially main system mo, yung tono mo and protection mo, hindi yung ba protected yung buong yung ecosystem na yon up to that point. Anything after, like the mixer or whatever na ikakabit, those are things na parang pwede magpalitan, pwede mag-iba-iba, and hindi ka masyadong mag-aalala. Club ka or venue, di ba? Dapat may competent person pa rin na nakabantay dun sa system mo. Oh, another thing rin pala, the nice thing about speaker management processor, and usually minsan, lalo na yung mga available ngayon, you've got a 3x6 or 4x8, you've got the routing. So, shall we say, meron kang feeds sa labas, dun sa, the balcony of the club, outside, the smoking area, or you've got speakers doon sa bar area instead of the main. So, para bang you could manage yung yung distribution nyo ng audio so that yung mga dun malapit sa bar mas mahina doon, at saka nakaset yung limiter nyo dyan to keep that level at a comfortable level. And then dun sa main club nyo, and usually sometimes subs nyo, gusto nyo may sarili kayong tonong gawin dyan, you could take an input and route that specifically for the subs para merong sariling pagtotono doon, and it just gives you a lot of options. And lastly nga pala, whenever you do settings, save it. All of these files, maging digital mixer, DSP processor, all of those are savable. So not only on board, pero get a copy of that file. Kahit naman yung laptop nyo hindi kayang basahin yung file na yon, it's still a digital file. So yung maganda doon, kahit ano, it's still saved in your nasustore nyo pa rin sa computer nyo yung settings nyo. Kahit hindi nyo naman dun bubuksan yun eh. Importante lang pagdating ng araw na kailangan yung i-reload dahil nagpalit ng, of course we're talking about the same processor, nagpalit ng processor or something, or kailangan nyo tandaan kung paano yung, ano yung setting nyo noong time na yun. You could always take that file, pop it into a processor or a similar processor para makita nyo. Yun lang, safety na rin yun, backup na rin yun. It will save you time, and in some cases it'll save your ass. Yung job nyo protektado. Alright, anyway, that's just it. Thank you. I'm at my destination.